Hello. Good morning, sir. அப்படியே நீங்க ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணீங்களா சார்? ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணியிருந்தா உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிருப்போமே. அப்படியா? காலையில லாகின் இதாகலையே சார். சரி, எதுக்கு நீங்க வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, நான் லாகின் அனுப்பிச்சு விடுறேன். சப்போஸ் இது இருந்ததுன்னா ஆட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்படியா? சரி, ஓகே சார். நீங்க பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா. நான் அனுப்பிச்சு விடுறேன். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ.
ఓకే రాణాజీ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ
Good morning.
Good morning. Hello. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, Sundar.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible?
Nice to meet you. Yeah. It's okay.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you, sir. So we will wait for another 2-3 minutes to start the session.
No problem.
We will allow others to join, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Good morning to everyone. I hope you all hear me, right? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
It is audible.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to mute all of you, your mics. So because of the betterment, so that everyone can hear me without any disturbance. Let me mute you all. Okay, good morning again. On behalf of our Tyagarajar College of Preceptors, I welcome you all for the webinar session on creating a website using Google sites. Hope you all have heard the Google sites. I'm going to give you the demonstration step by step how you are going to access, how the site has been relevant, what are the things you can be enabled. Okay, so let me share the screen first, and I just there are many people are joining, even the professors, the librarians, even Dr. Srinivasa Raghavan. He's a controller of examiner from Bharatdasan University, Trichy. He's my guru and my mentor. And there are many principals are available in the session, and many research scholars and so many librarians, even students from TCP. I welcome you all on behalf of TCP, Madurai, as well as the Readers Club. Okay, thank you so much. Let me go to the session. I'll share the screen. Okay, there is no presentation, just I'm going to share what are the things we are going to cover. Can you see my screen? Okay, fine. We are just going to the demonstration. There is no other presentation, no talking much. Okay, so there are simple 5 pages we are going to design today, and it is quick and it is very reliable. You don't need any IT skills. You need only interest to learn a new skills. That's it. And we are going to see there are so many options: add site name, an odd logo, and add a footer, and change navigation, and a collapsible text. You know, the collapsible text from it will hide, and divider. If there are so many sections that you have, you can give the divider, and the table of contents, and image slides. If you have more image, it will rotate. So that is called image slides. So these are the things we are going to see today. And the next one is additional pages. You can add n number of pages. There is no restrictions at all. And the settings, there are few settings, including the logo and domain name and analysis. So these are the things we are going to see. So let me go to the can you see the screen? Web link or only my PPT?
No, the screen is visible, sir.
Visible, right? Okay. There are two ways you can log into the websites. I mean, to the sites. One is through your Gmail account, or directly you can go to the this is what only you can go to the Gmail account, or you just type on sites.google.com. Both will take you to the right page. Okay, just you log in with your Gmail account. Fine. Once you're logged in, you will be seeing this screen first. So you can see your name, and there is an icon for the Google application, and there is a down right corner, you'll be seeing the plus arrow. So this is what you're going to create. And this is the home page you will be seeing. First, you have to click this bottommost, right bottom, the plus point. Create a new site. Click this. will see these kind of pages. So just wait for a minute. I'm going to mute all the participants because there are some disturbance from the background. Can you please, people can mute your mic?
Me. Google.com. Site.google.com. எனக்கு ஒரு website
Guys, can you please mute your
connected
mic?
ஆடல.
All the participants are requested to mute your mic so that others can hear.
Site.google.com. Sites. SITES. பாருங்க. பாப்போம். Your page title ன்னு அடுத்து வருதா? ஓபன் பண்ணி போகும்ல. இங்க பாரு இப்படி வருது. New create new site ன்னு அங்க இருக்கான்னு பாரு.
I think actually somebody teaching to others through the session. That the background noise is disturbing to others, we didn't hear what is Dr. Sundar's teaching.
Okay, this is the page you will see, and the first you will see the site name.
This is the ad.
And the title page.
One. Number 1 தான் எப்பவுமே பெஸ்டா இருக்கும். அது
Whatever the site name you want, you can just leave it.
நம்ம நேம் ஆட் பண்றது வந்தாச்சு. இதா பண்ணுங்க.
Could you please somebody mute the audio?
There are so many options. You can just select whatever the heading or title. If you want, you can make it center, and you can adjust as much as possible. The background, you will see the grade, like till how much you want to make it, everything you can. And just right click, you will see the image option, change image. This is for the background. There are two options for upload and the select image. If it is upload, it is from your site, system. If it is settings, you have to select from the image. Even you can select from Google or anything. This is the gallery from directly from Google, or you can just directly from the internet. For example, I will select this. Just to select. Your screen will be saved, the background image, and you have to edit the site name. For example, Indian College. And this is your site name. Whatever you type, it will appear on the site.
உனக்குன்னு ஒரு சைட் போடு.
Okay, now I'm going to add the text in the down. Just double click wherever that you want. You will appear this round arrow mark. There is an option. The second one is the text. Use these two options. The first one is image, the second one is text. Just click on the text box. You will see the box. Here the one you are going to save all your text that you want to save. I have some sample text.
இதுல வா enter site.
Just take down.
மேல enter site. DR நான் சொல்றேன் நீ DR ஹேமாரஜி ஸ்பேஸ் போட கூடாது சைட்ல எப்பவுமே.
So whatever the format that you want, you can make it. You can select the title and you can give the heading.
Sir, நிறைய பேர் டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க சார்.
Give us a subheading.
Sundar, could you please control that
Audio
voice now, because someone is disturbing.
Can you please hold a minute? I will.
We are unable to hear.
மொத்தமா delete பண்ணிட்டு உடனே வா.
சார் நடுவுல யாரோ பேசிட்டே இருக்காங்க சார், ஒண்ணுமே புரியல.
One of the madam.
நான் பேசு.
Somebody is teaching to their children or their students through this working.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
அல்லடா ஹேமாரஜி library.
That madam is not listening. So
I know.
She is teaching to somebody, yeah. Your voice is disturbing, madam. Your voice is disturbing us. We couldn't hear Dr. Sundar. If you want, you can record, then you can teach separately.
Ask her to switch it off, her audio.
about 1000 வருமா அதுல நம்ம வந்து நம்மள பத்தி சொல்லணும்.
There is a button mute. You can just mute.
Tell that lady to make it funny.
அதனால நம்மளோட
I think it's mute. Fine, let us go to the page. Okay, this is the page that I'm going to insert. The text box you can just adjust as much as that you want. There is a grid line at the back side, so that you can just fix the size wherever that you want to stop, until where, like this. On the right side, if you want to, you can just insert image. Same way for from Google or from your site. If you have your photos, you can do it. I'll just select from my. Just insert. See, the image will come. Then the next part, we are going to see the theme. Theme, you can find it at your right side option. Theme, you can just select the theme. There are so many options like simple, Aristotle, Diploma, and for example, I'll just select this Diploma. See, you can see the title, cover, and if you want impression, you can change whatever that you want, and there are some colors, background, whatever the colors that you want, you can change. Hope you can see the changing colors. So this is what the change, and even the font size you can change.
Online class.
There is a side, modern, bold, classic. So it is up to you. You can just change whatever the way that you would like. And next to the theme, we are going to see the background images. The background images, as I said, even for the title page, even for the sections. So this is one section. I am going to make another section. The text box. Okay, this is my another section. I'm going to change only the background for this section. There is a left side, you just click this icon will appear, section background. Select on it. There is a option for color change, only the color will change. You can see the difference. See, the color will change, the background color for the particular section. If you want to put image, you can say upload image. Upload image, this will be from your system. I have some images, so I'm going to just add. See, with this image only for this section, particular sections. So this also you can enable. There is an icon like, see, readability. You can just enable, the image will be more clarity. If you disable, the image will be little dim. So this is another option. Then we are going to put the logo on the top. How we are going to put the logo? See, once you click here, add logo on the left side top of the corner, add logo. The same option will be given even in the setting options. Go to this brand image. If you have select or if you upload, it is up to you. I'm going to select from my system. This is just for a sample. I'm going to add our library logo or our college logo. See, this will be appearing. Now you see the logo on here. So whatever the logo that you want, you can upload. At any time you can edit. If you want to change, if you want to remove, delete, you can do it. See, you can do anything that you want. And even on the background side, like our logo is put, no, the blue color, this color you want to make it color or white background, this you can change going to the setting option. I'll just show you later. Fine. Now you have your title page, you inserted your logo, you have your section for about college or whatever the text that you want to add, and the down you will be seeing the footer. See, art footer. Hope you can see. Just click on it. Normally people what they add copyright, right? Copyright. You just take the symbol later. I just put whatever. So this is my footer. Same here, once you select, you can make it bold, you can make it center, whatever the alignment that you want, you can make it. Fine. Now we have a footer, we have a logo, we have a title page, we have a content on the sections and the image. So these are all the options mainly we have to concentrate. Before doing all other options, I'm going to show you the preview options. See, on the top, you can see some other options, the preview. And the next one is copy the published link. Until now, we are not published the link. Just if you see the preview. So this is your website page will appear on the internet. Until now, it is not been published. It is only the demo purpose. We are just seeing the preview. You just cancel the preview. Again, it will be going to the page. This is the preview options. This is share with others. For example, if you are going to share this page to edit somebody else, whether you're IT or whether you're friends, you can share the page. Then other option is settings. As I said before, this is the setting screen. I'll come back later, this option. This is the setting screen. And the next one is duplicate site. If you want to make the duplicate size, you can make it. If you want to report the problem, you can make it. If you want to take a tour, you can do it. Then the next you can see the publish. So this is the publish option. Until you don't publish, it will not be there in the internet. It will be only within your Gmail site. That's it. So I'm going to publish, then we will see. Okay, once I click the publish button, it will be asking the web address. See the down, this is what your link you are going to share it with your friends, or same like www.yahoo.com. Same way, this is your website name. See, whatever the name you added, it will be appearing. For example, I remove this. My website name will be sites.google.com, view, and India Uni College. This is what my website name. I give. It is up to us. Whatever that you want, you can give. See the changes here. Whatever you type on the top, it will be appearing here. So this is your site name. So this is the link you have to copy and paste it on your college website, or you can share it with your friends, or you can upload on the website. Until now, I'm not published. I'm going to publish. So this is the link. Just publish it. it is publishing on the internet. Okay, it is published. Once you published, it will be showing view in the down. Just click on it. I'm going to see the page. What you have seen, sites.google.com/view/IndUni College. This is what the link we have seen. Just enter. If you forgot, you can just copy the link from here. This is what. Copy the link. You just paste. See, now this is on the internet. So this is your page. Hope you can see the page, right? This is your website. See what you have seen, the college title of the page, Indian University College, even on the top. Once you scroll down, see the logo will be there. Only the text will be scrolling. So n number of sections that you can add. I'll show some other options as well. The blue background for the logo you can change. I'll come back to the page. Edit option. It will be going to the settings. Yeah, the navigation bar, you just make it right on the corner or whatever, the transparent or the white background. I'm changing here. So see on the top, before it was blue color, now there is a white background. So whenever you scroll, that option will be there. I just publish it again. Whenever you publish, it will be asking the draft as well as the current page. So you can see the draft, see the difference on the logo. There is a blue background, the other side is a white background. So you just publish. Here you just refresh. Yeah. On the top, the blue color has disappeared. Now you can scroll. You will see the difference. Okay. I'll go to the next option. So now you know the home page. The logo. Guys, can you please keep silence? We can't hear.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಕೈ ಹಾಳ ಬರೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಗಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗೋ ಮಕ್ಳ
Dear participants, you are requested to mute your mic. Please. Thank you. So now I'm going to add the next page. See, there is an icon for the insert page and theme. Now I'm going to the page. Now you have only your home page. See, you can see here, this is your home page. Now I'm going to add the further pages. Same, come down on the bottom, you will see the plus icon. This is the insert option. You are going to insert a new page. You can give the name, whatever that you want. For example, contact. You are going to give the contact address. Just click. This is your new page for the contact. See on the top, home page and contact. You're having the next page now. Same, whatever that you want, you can edit here, come to the page. You can edit the background option. Select image from Google. If you want to change, you can directly change from the gallery or you can go and search. I'll take it from the gallery so that we can see the background image is changed. Okay, now I'm going to add the text box. For example, contact. Whatever that you want, you can give email, blah, blah, whatever you can just. you can adjust as much as possible. And I'm going to say insert the image for the contact person. If you have 2-3 contact persons, you can change. I'm sorry. Come here, insert, upload. Okay, for example, I'll just add something instead of my picture. So whatever the image that you can drag wherever that you want. See, this will be the picture of the person. You can adjust whatever that you want. Okay, now you added your contact details. Now I'm going to add the map option. Come to the insert page, scroll down a little bit. There are so many options down. You can see collapsible text, table of content, image, whatever. There are many options. I'm going to the map. Just click on the map because I'm going to add the contact. I'm going to give the location address. For example, Madurai, Tamil Nadu. If you know the exact place, you can just select. See, the contact address has been saved. You can drag wherever that you want. You can minimize the size. You can adjust whatever that you want. You can do it. Okay, now we have seen the map option. The next page, you can add one more page. Like what else? For example, tuition fees. See on the top, now you are in the third page, home, contact, and tuition fee. So whatever that you want, you can add. See, this copyright will be coming. This is your footer. I'm going to add the text box. Anything that you want, you can add. So fees for MA, BSc, MBA. You can add the further details, right? Okay, let me go to the home page. If you want to give some links, some important links, you can add. Click on the text. For example, online database. All of us know Enlist. For example, EBSCO. Request. Okay, just select the link. You'll be seeing on the top, insert link. Enlist, you can just type www.enlist.com. I don't know what exactly you can just say. For example, EBSCO. Go to the hyperlink. You can just type www.ebscohost.com. Just apply. Same way for Prequest. For Prequest, I'm going to give the Gmail address www.gmail.com. Fine. Now you'll be seeing the hyperlink. You can adjust the image. You can change the font like header. You can make it bold. Okay, now we have added 2 pages, contact, tuition fees, and the hyperlinks. So you can publish. See, now you will be seeing the draft as well as the current published one. Just you publish. See, view the published site. This is the published site. You'll be seeing the another 2 pages, contact and the tuition fees. On the top of your right, this is the navigation bar. N number of page you can insert, it will be going one by one. I'll show you another 2-3 pages, and the navigation you can change. Now it is on the right hand top. If you want, you can hide and it will be appear on the left hand side like a drop down menu. Okay, what else next? Next, image Caroline. Image slideshow. I'm going to show you how it will be. See the link, what we added, online database, Enlist, EBSCO, ProQuest. ProQuest we have given us a Gmail. Just click. It will go to the Gmail. So it means the link is working, right? The hyperlink is working. So this is the way. And EBSCO, just for the trial, you click on it. It will take you to the EBSCO website. So now you know the hyperlink, how to give the hyperlink. So now you know the home page, inserting logo, you know the title page, and you know how to insert the background, and you know footer option. So this is what the home page. And the next, you know the additional pages, how to add, and the map. Now I'll go to the divider and the calendar. 2 options I'll go to the page. Go to insert. There are some other additional boxes. Collapsible text. We will see what is collapsible text. You can just click on it. It will appear. For example, demo 1. You can add some text. You can add one more. Demo 2. Add some text, whatever that you want. You can add one more. Demo 3. Add text. Now we are seeing this collapsible text. We added something. Okay, now you publish. We will see what this will appear. Just publish. If you want, you can just give the refresh here. Okay, now it is published one. This is on the internet. So this is your page. See the demo option, demo 2, demo 3, right? If you want, you can just hide. I'll open it again. I copy the link. So this you can hide. So this is the option for the collapse. So okay, now you know the collapse options. Then now I'm going to show you the calendar. There are some options for the calendar. You can insert the calendar. Go to the page. So I will remove these collapse options. You can try it home later. Okay, I just remove. And now I'm going to add the calendar. I'll go to the additional page, then I'll show you. You can see the top, I'm going to add the new page. Academic calendar. Now you are in the new page, academic calendar. Come down, go to insert, check the calendar option. Just click on it. It will take you. Just take the holiday in, because it is showing United Arab Emirates, because my system is being installed in United Arab Emirates. You can just insert, then we will see how it looks. See the calendar. You can edit whatever that you want. You can add your academic calendar, or if you are designing for your own website, you can just add the holidays. If it is for the library, you can just edit the calendar, like public holidays will be. Go to this setting option. I will show you some other options. Show the title, show the date, navigation button, show the time zone. See this, you use viewers time zone. For example, if I enable this, it will change into India. Before it was UAE. Once you enable this, here it will be changing. If the same website being viewed by the US, this holiday, the calendar will be changing according to the local view. For example, United Arab Emirates or the United States. So this is what the calendar options. So now you know the collapse. I'm going to show you the image Carol use. Go to one more page. Click the new one. Events. So now you have the one more page. Events option. Same way you can edit whatever that you want. The background image, title, text, everything you can change. Now I'm going to add the slideshow. Image carousel. It means slideshow of the images. You have to add minimum more than 2 images. See, whether upload or from select. I'm going to upload it from my local systems. I have so many images. I'm going to select a minimum 5. Whatever the image that you select, it will appear here. Okay, go to settings here. There are some other options also. Show the dots, show the caption, and auto start. The image will automatically start. There is a speed settings. If you want to slow, if you want to very slow, or the medium or the fast, you can select a very slow and insert. See the image appearing here. See the dot down. You can drag wherever that you want, you can make it. The size also you can increase or decrease. Here I just want to make sure your all the images should be in the same size. Same size. Okay, we will see publish and we will see how it works. Now we inserted 2 things. See the changes we made, added events, then added academic calendars. So these 2 things we are going to publish now. Then we will see how the website looks. Now we published. Go to the page. See, it was not there. Another 2 pages. You just refresh. You will 2 more pages. Academic calendar and events. Go to academic calendar. See, you will see your calendar. Go to events. See, this is what the image that we added now. It will be rotating. You can see the change in images. Hope you can see the image rolling. Right. This is what slideshow is called. Otherwise, image carousel. So now you have 5 pages of the website. It is just a demo purpose. I don't add much, but you guys can add n number of pages. There is no limit at all. Okay, I'll go to the edit page. Let me go fast for the another one option for the settings. On the top, you will see the settings option. In the settings, there are navigation option. Navigation what? It will be on the top or it will be on the side. Now I select for the side option. And the background, if you want, you can make it white or black. It is up to you. You keep it white That is better. Now I will show you only the navigation options. You just publish. Go to your, refresh your page. Now you can see the difference, the navigation bar. It is not on the top of the right. It will be left side, will be sidebar. So this is what the navigation. So always I recommend top of the page. So that will be looking pleasant image. Go to the settings again, go to navigation, change it on the type, like top corner. And the color, I prefer to be there on white color. Okay, then go to the image. If you want, you can change the logo. And what is view tools? View tools is nothing but the published page. On the down, you'll be seeing this icon, information. Like you just click, there will be some other options. See, if you click, it will be showing 2-3 options. Whether what are the updated pages, Google site. If you want, you can report abuse. This is what this option. If you hide, this will not appear here. Now I hide it and I publish. This is my page. See the navigation, now it is on the top side, not in the right side. And this I will be disabled. Now it is not showing, but it will be disappear. Okay, now again I'm going to settings. There are 2 more options. I just want to show the customize your URL. For example, now your site name is like sites.google.com/view. It will be little lengthy. So if you want to reduce, you can reduce the length. For example, www. Now you can't make it, but you go to the learn page, you have to search who is your service provider. Like you have to buy the domain name, or you can just contact your IT team, they will help you. Now I'm not going to show you this, it will be taking so long. Your domain name has to be inserted here. If you add the domain name, it will be your website www. your library name. That's it. And analytics. Analytics is nothing but analytics. How many people have viewed your website? I'll show you from our library TCP. And it is also little lengthy process. Analytics, the site will give you the page, how many people have visited your website. Now I'm not going to enable, just I'm going to show you the options. So if you add your domain provider, for example, godaddy.com, or many people, Airtel, BSNL, there are many people. So if you add, it will be showing the, for this is my college website, I'll just show you at the top of, see the down you will be seeing the visitors count. So this is called analysis of the page. This also you can enable through the Google sites, but now I'm not going to show. You can just explore by yourself.
Sir, sorry for the disturbance.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, participants waiting there.
Sir, just wait for 2 minutes. Let me finish the session. I'm going to finish. That's it. It's over. So now you just refresh the page or you publish the page. You copy the URL. You close everything. I'll show you the fresh page of your published website. Okay. So this is your published website. Now you have 5 pages. Whatever you want, you can go ahead. You can add the images, the calendar, the home page, You can see the logo. You can see the links. You can see the footer down. The logo, website name, everything. So this is the way you can design your website. It is so easy. You don't need any IT skills. You guys need to have only for the interest. So thank you so much. I have finished my session. If you have any questions, you please feel free to ask.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So other participants are waiting. Will you allow them? Other participants are waiting in waiting room.
Sir, it is allowed, sir.
Oh. Okay. Rajakumar and Sophia ma'am is also waiting. Very good to participate.
Sir, anyhow, we close this session.
Okay, okay. So you can continue, sir.
Yeah. Fine, that's it. I have completed my session. Now you can design. I believe it is so easy. Now you see your website page. So any doubts, you can please raise your hands and you can ask. Any doubts, any questions?
Yes, sir.
Hope the session will be useful and it is very simple.
Sir, it is very useful and thank you very much, sir.
Fine, thank you. Any other questions, anybody?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sometimes when we open a website, it is not mobile friendly. So how to make our website mobile friendly? Is there some option for that?
It is mobile friendly. I'll just show you. Go to preview. It is mobile friendly. See the option here. The first option is mobile. You can see the icon phone. This is the tablet. This is the large screen, a desktop or the laptop. Click on the mobile view. See, it is mobile view. You can see these options. You can scroll down. This is the mobile view. Go to the page. Go to the home. See, it is mobile view. Just click the link. It will be. So this is the mobile view. It is so user friendly. Even you can access your mobile.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions?
Some people raise question in the chat room also.
Yeah, please. Any other questions, please? Yeah.
Sir, books la upload பண்ண முடியுமா sir?
You can upload a books. Same like I'll show you some small options. Like upload the documents. See, you can see the document. Insert document options. You have to save things before in your Drive, Google Drive. Just select and insert. See, now I inserted some document, whether PDF or Word, whatever. I'll select one more, 2-3 pages, for example, slide. Now I selected something. I'm going to launch, publish. Go to the home page, come down. See, whatever the documents that you uploaded, it will be. You can just go down and preview one by one. So this is the way you can upload the books also. It is so easy. Yeah, thank you. Any other questions, anybody?
Sir, good morning, Sunil sir. Good morning, I'm Sophia calling.
Good morning, please.
Sir, we couldn't attend from the beginning because
okay.
I couldn't access thing.
Okay,
So I
ma'am.
thought that we couldn't participate in this meeting. So
No problem,
just
and no
once
problem.
again,
Don't worry. The people, whoever not having access, I'm going to make the one more session for them. So better you can send a
Okay,
WhatsApp or to my email that you are willing to join. I'll organize one more session for those people. Separate session.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
And any other questions? Okay, hopefully the session will be useful. I'll just close the question session. And thanks for your patience and thanks for your presence.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead. The last question. Yeah, please.
Good morning, sir. Sir, my name is Mohammed Amin, sir, from.
You're not loud up. Can you please little louder?
Annamala University, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I'm new in field in this how to create a design. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you, sir. I hope in future more topics will be discussed and more topics will be covered, sir, in the future, sir.
Sure, will be, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Can you please ask one by one?
Just 1 second.
Yeah,
I just
please.
wanted to know, is it possible to get recording of this, sir, please, so we can just redo it and practice ourselves to make it perfect?
Can you please repeat the question, ma'am?
Can we get the recording of this our session, please?
Yeah, it
Because
is
it's very-
recorded. It is recorded already. We will share the video through the.
So kindly just send it to us.
Yeah, definitely we will share the record on it.
God bless you. Thank you.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, please.
So this is Dr. Parshuram from Karnataka.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Please.
Sir, is there any option to add password and ID for submission of assignment or either any student's work, sir?
I don't understand, sir. What is your question?
No. For example, if we are requesting our students to submit the assignment, that can be possible. Is it possible to make through password and ID for students? And
Sir,
whatever the submissions are there, that they can do it in the form of uploading their data, sir.
Yeah, sir, this is actually the website. The survey option will not be here, but there is an option for the conducting a survey link.
Okay.
Yeah. But this is just a website, sir. You cannot conduct a survey from the website. The
No,
He's
sir.
asking about that submission
Thank
of
you, sir.
assignment. So better you can use that LMS, no?
Okay, sir.
Learning management software
We
instead
will
of
stop the
that.
questions. We will stop the questions, and thank you so much for your presence. And on behalf of Devaraja College of Research, I thank you, one and all, whoever has presented. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
You can
sir.
leave the meeting by pressing the link. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
अरे क्या बोलते सुमित सर